Cat simulator. Hopefully you can see it. Because this is a cat simulator. Oh, what? He's just trying to run. He's just running. I'm just gonna put this here. Shall I just play it? So I'm just gonna play it. Hopefully you can see it. It's not very comfortable for me to play like that, because I've just stretched my arms out really far. Oh, and there he is. I think he's broken. What? TikTok? No. Why is lifting a bottle so hard nowadays? So this is a Polish server. One, he's gotten stuck and I got caught again. I'm a super noob at this. Hopefully you can see this, because I just have to lean my phone on my knee. Whoa, that was weird. I was just floating in the air. Why is it so hard to walk on the grass? Because I can see more from Tug Toy, whatever that means. These nuts? Should I just say these nuts? Nuts. These nuts. And I'm not done as Rambo. Stefan, if you're watching this is Cat Simulator. Cat Simulato. There is a meow button, there is a chat button. But I don't need it, because I don't chat. Actually, I do need it, because I do chat. But I just don't need to use it right now, like right this second. Gotta get out of here, no. I didn't mean to press main menu. Join by name. The name game. Home. Wait. There it is. Go simulator. What? I only just joined. Go ho ho happy Santa. These nuts. Should I just say these nuts again? And say so I just said these nuts and my phone has just fallen. So there we go. These nuts in Polish. Why is it so hard to walk on the roof? It's like really hard. It's like walking on toffee nata. And I'm going to show you the trampoline as well. This gear thingy is a trampoline apparently. Wait, I just need to get on it before I fall off of it. Because there is a chance that I can get stuck inside of it. So I'm just going to leave it. Look, I'm not pressing anything. Okay, you just said something to me, it disappeared. And there's my Lego plane. Not to be confused with Lego train. Train. I like trains. I like planes. I get back to playing. Actually, I need to clean the camera. Okay, enough with this trampoline bouncing. No. I'm not even good at speaking my own language. Bob it. Lob it, lob it, lob it, lob it. Who's Poland Omg? Roland Omg? Who's that? Just noticed I put my phone all around because the camera is down here rather than up here. So that's not a good way of connecting, of recording it. Okay, I'm coming. Should I just get caught? Because that's a faster way to get to the roof. No, it's obviously not. Yes, Papa, I am eating sugar because I am sad. I just teleported to the roof. Look, I teleported to the roof. He already said that. Wait, focus. Focus, Game Boy. Boy, these nuts. Just clean it even more. This camera is rubbish. Lego plane. Flying in the sky. I've only got one Malteser left. Airplane. It can't even fly properly. I just chucked and landed on top of those faces. Okay. Why have I got no points? Oh, that's warm. Guess I'll turn that off for now because I don't want to play yet. So, the last few minutes of this video will just be me probably playing Bop It Smash. Smash, okay?
Solo. Loud. Blasting.
Yes, plastic.
Smash it to start.
Shut up. No. Shut up. Bop it.
Quiet. Loud. Blasting.
It should be Bop It to start, because Smash it.
Smash it to start.
Shut up. Okay.
Time score is 92. Level 1. You killed it. 5 points. Bam. 10 points. Ding, ding, ding. 15 points. You killed it. 20 points. Bonus round. Bonus points. 35 points. Level 2. Yeah. 36 points. Sweet. 37 points. Bam. 42 points.